guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making something special for my bestie, Fox Wolfie Gaming. And this is what it kind of looks like. Please get guesses in the comments of what do you think this is gonna turn as. Please, I already know what it is, but please guess. I don't know what I'm saying. Bye. Okay, and now I'm filming again. But this will be a scheduled video of what this actually is going to be. So I'm just gonna be talking to you guys what this is, and yeah. So this is supposed to be a because Emily just hit 100 subscribers. Congratulations to Emily. Fox Movie Gaming. I will link her channel down in the description, so make sure to check her out and support her. Yes. And I'm making my own custom play button because you never get a play button when you hit 100. And I want to be a good best friend and make it. This is the best I could do. And then I will say presented in Fox Movie Gaming for passing 100 subscribers. So this is what it's going to look like when I ship it to her. And I hope she likes it. Which is because I kind of worked hard on this. So I could like buy the paints and then to outline, and there's just all of this mess. So yeah, so stay tuned on any new uploaded videos. I kind of just uploaded a video a few minutes ago on Pachaco. Make sure you go check that out. And I'm gonna post Emily's channel in the description below. So make sure you go check her out and support her on her journey of getting the silver play button. But I made my own custom, so I hope she likes it. I really do if she likes it. I hope she does, so because I worked hard. And also she can hang this up. She can hang this up in her secret room. I can't tell you guys, but it's a secret room that she has her own. I have seen it, but I cannot tell you. So yeah, she's probably gonna hang it in there, but I can't tell you what it is because that will ruin the surprise that she's probably gonna have for you guys. So yeah, make sure you have a good day. Check out Emily and see other my other videos and check out some of Emily's videos. I have Cinderella earrings on. Yes. So make sure you check out some of her videos, my videos, her channel, my channel. Make sure you have a good day and stay tuned for any more videos that I post and she posts. Bye. But I forgot to show the final results of Emily's custom play button, but here it is. Please read it. I worked my heart for the play thing. I worked hard on that, so yeah. Make sure you read it, and please do not tell anybody about this, except for my viewers. So yeah. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you be prepared for more videos that I upload and Emily uploads. So yeah.